Hi everyone, welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I'm excited to share with you the April card making kit details. This month we're going to be using the Bloom by Bloom bundle. That is the stamp set and the coordinating punch pack. Let's head over to the stamp table so I can show you the completed cards and the details for this month's kit. This month's kit will center around the Bloom by Bloom stamp set. Absolutely amazing, bold, fun, whimsical images for spring. You'll also be needing the floral punch pack. The punch pack that coordinates with this stamp set includes several different images for flowers, as well as one for the flower center and the leaves. Stamping with me from home is easy. I'll provide all the free pre-cut supplies to make a total of 8 cards. You'll make 2 of this card that are shown here. I'll provide a video tutorial with step-by-step instructions. You can start and stop as often as you'd like and include lots of tips along the way. You'll also make 2 of these. In addition to the cardstock, you'll also receive the pre-cut designer series paper and of course envelopes. I'll include the embossed cardstock on this as well. I did use several ink pads and I did use some embellishments. You'll want to order those as well if you want your projects to look exactly like mine, and then 2 of these. In addition to the video, you will receive a color PDF tutorial with multiple pictures of each card, step-by-step instructions, cutting dimensions, and a complete supply list for the cards that you see here. The PDF tutorial is a wonderful resource for you to be able to copy the layouts for future cards and projects. Now you'll notice that the Bloom by Bloom stamp set does not have any greetings. If you don't already own stamps that have greetings on them, you might want to consider purchasing the ones that I have listed. If you're here visiting from YouTube, there's a link down in the video description below that will lead you over to pictured supplies of what I have used here. I provide the card making kit, video, and PDF tutorial absolutely free with any $50 product order before shipping and tax. You can order whatever you like. You can substitute with what you have at home and order any products that you may not have that you desire. I make ordering simple and flexible. But it's very important that you use the exclusive card making kit host code. It's the only way that I know that you're entitled to the free pre-cut supplies. There's also a very specific ordering date. It's for 4 days only, from April 10th to April 13th. And I have a promised mail date no later than April 20th. Your card making kit will be mailed to you at the same address you use for placing your online order. Now, if your online order happens to be $150 in product or more, do not use the host code. But it's very important that you email me to the address shown on the screen and let me know that that order was intended for the card making kit. Otherwise, I have no way of knowing. In addition, all of my card making kit customers receive an added bonus. They receive a private invitation to a Facebook event called Live with Lisa. During this event, I provide numerous live demonstrations, a free bundle of tutorials, and product prize patrol drawings. But if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. Just let me know when you place your order and I'll be happy to send you the video recording and the tutorials via email. And of course, your name will still be in the product prize drawing. I hope that you will join us for the April card making kit, the Bloom by Bloom bundle.